In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install SSL on your website for free using Cloudflare. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll have added an extra layer of security to your website without any cost. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Cloudflare's website. Cloudflare is a remarkable tool that not only helps protect your website, but also enhances its performance. Once you arrive on their site, you'll want to log into your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account yet, I recommend setting one up, as Cloudflare provides many useful services beyond just SSL certificates. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the Cloudflare account home, where you can see an overview of all your domains. From here, it'll be easy to maneuver through your options. You should select the domain you want to add SSL protection to. This is a crucial step, as SSL certificates are domain-specific, meaning you'll need to add them separately for each domain you manage. Once your domain is selected, look for an option labeled SSL/TLS. This is where we're going to enable our free SSL certificate. Navigate to this section, and here you'll see several settings. The one we're interested in is the SSL/TLS encryption mode. These modes can range from flexible, which is a simple HTTP to HTTPS connection, to full, which provides a more secure, encrypted experience end-to-end. Depending on your current setup and security needs, you can choose the level of encryption that's right for you. Most users typically opt for the full mode to ensure that data between your servers is encrypted as well. When the SSL/TLS configuration is complete, the final step is to wait a bit as your changes propagate through the Cloudflare network. This might take a few moments, but it's an important step to ensure everything is set up correctly. During this time, it's helpful to test your site access by visiting it in an incognito window, or using another device to make sure the SSL certificate is active. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully installed a free SSL certificate on your website. Using Cloudflare, this will not only help protect the data of your visitors, but also enhance your website's credibility and improve its SEO ranking. Remember, securing your website is an ongoing process, and using tools like Cloudflare makes it easier to manage. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on enhancing your website's performance and security. Happy browsing!